This is not an entry-level occupation, as it takes a number of years' experience to be equipped to carry out the task required for this job. Production coordinators make certain that the production department meets its goals by planning, scheduling, and executing production activities. They are employed in industries involved with manufacturing or construction. Production coordinators are key members of the production team. They may oversee one section of the manufacturing process or the entire manufacturing plant. They need to be flexible enough to adapt to changes in scheduling, as well as the capacity to handle high-stress decision-making situations. As coordinators have a hand in all parts of production, they require an in-depth working knowledge of their company and industry. The tasks that these coordinators carry out are extremely important, as they ensure that all production activities undertaken are synchronized. Production coordination ensures that the company does not have large amounts of money tied up in stocks of unneeded components that are not being utilized, and that the manufacture of the products correlates with orders from customers. This safeguards the company from being left with large stocks of unsold products. The goal of production coordination is to ensure the profitability of the manufacturing process and therefore the company. Depending on forecasted orders, production coordinators establish or adjust the factory's master production schedule. They consider the likely size of orders as well as the output capacity of the workers, machines, and equipment. They calculate the quantities of materials or components required for production and determine the dates on which these materials will be needed. Coordinators distribute work orders to the various production departments, giving the number and type of product required, as well as the projected completion date for the order. The coordinator maintains the inventory of materials and parts needed to complete the production. They monitor available material stocks and create orders to replenish those used. They establish delivery dates and ensure that the materials arrive by due date. They coordinate the flow of materials and components between the different sections of the manufacturing plant. They make sure that the plant is productive at all times and that there are no delays or breaks in the production schedule. The production coordinator keeps all relevant production records and compiles production reports. These contain information regarding work progress and timelines. They indicate any production downtime due to mechanical failures or material shortages. If necessary, the coordinator escalates production issues to management. Coordinators usually work in an office attached to the manufacturing plant. They often use enterprise resource planning or ERP software, as well as manufacturing execution system or MES software to coordinate production. Although employers set the entry requirements for this occupation, production coordinators usually have a tertiary level qualification in business or operations management, engineering, or a related field. They also need extensive production experience and may offer experienced production workers or supervisors the chance to train as a production coordinator. In-house training on specific production software will be given. Progression will depend on the size and the structure of the company and may involve a promotion to manufacturing production manager or similar.